I just finished setting up the Housewise Portable Charcoal Grill. It is so tiny, so cool. We got this for our review by Housewise. They even, in the package, provided some complimentary fire starters, which are super, super cute. And, I mean, obviously will work wonders. So this is it. Fully put together, 15-20 minutes it took me. Instructions are super easy to follow. So this is how it would look like when you're just transporting it, portable of course, putting it in a camper, going for a picnic, really easy and light to transport. And then look at this, the legs transform and go under. I'm gonna do this really quickly, look at that. Look how cute that is. That's super cool. And then check this out. This is a full-blown type of grill system, right? So this is perfect for, of course, any kind of meat, vegetables, whatever you want to grill. And there's a secondary grill right under there where you would put the charcoal, and of course, the really nice fire starters in there to get that, you know, that barbecue going, really. So smart, so smart. Check this out. They even have little vents on the side, so you've got, you know, if you want to make sure that it's aired up. So I would consider this to be kind of like two functions. These little vents on each side would actually provide some airflow as well, especially when you have this on top, like covered. But also, as far as cleanup goes, I mean, cleanup goes super easy once it's obviously cold. Take that grill off, clean the inside, get rid of all that, that soot. But close those, put that in there. Boom, you've got your vents at the top as well. Airflow, super important when you're doing barbecue. And they even provide you with a nice little thermometer right there. So just to make sure that you've got the grill at the proper temperature. But look at this, everything is so compact, everything is so nice. And it also looks super good as well. Look at this, boom, done. And then I'm just going to grab that and grab this one like this. And once it's all folded, just grab it and be on my way for the next barbecue location. How cool. Housewise, well done.